good just like a mob star.
Welcome back, KMAs. I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kayla. You subscribe to my channel to be part of the KMAs. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, how you doing? Alright, so these box braids are the I guess square part box braids. I wanted them to be really big parting and really long braids. So they're really long. So I'm gonna just talk to y'all how I did them and stuff like that. Just about 10 packs in total. It took me I don't know how long it really took me. I can't even lie to you guys. This color is 1B and they fall like to my butt. I mean, that don't take you that long. I did use the rubber band method for these, so they have that big parting space and like kind of in the middle braid. And yeah, the braids are not perfect. Of course, you still have some, you know what I'm saying, you still have some lump and dumps in these braids, but they are good for me. Like, I really do like these braids so much. I used to get the parting, I used Shine and Gem, and you had to use some clips, a rat tail comb. I like to use the one with the metal hooks that's easier for parting, and just scotch braiding hair. That's really all I use. I recommend getting like the alligator clips. This is what they look like when you have short hair, because this grip your hair really good. So I recommend getting like the alligator clips. Invest into y'all guys some good quality clips and don't lose them. So what I use to keep them up and looking fresh, I use this edge control for my edges. This Dudley Total Control edge control, which is one of my favorite edge control. This was $20. And guys, I'm not lying. Y'all see it? It's like rubbing off. But I swear, like, it was $19.95, $20. But it's really good. I use that. I use some Pump It Up spray, the regular formula, I guess, to freeze it. And I like to use this and just spray my hair closely, really at the partings, because I want the partings to be looking fresh for a very long time, as long as possible. So move them braids. And then I do that, and I put my satin scarf on. I do the spritz and put my satin scarf on at night. When I wake up, they be looking fresh, like good looking, like nice and sealed down and everything. But when I'm gonna go, sometimes I spray the spritz on. But I use this Camera Ready shine spray. I use this to help get some, just to gloss it up and make them look fresh. Cause gotta keep these braids looking good. These are some huge partings. Your braids can be looking all raggedy. They need to be looking for looks. You can see the back and the partings. Okay, I didn't do the partings in the back, I can see, but they're straight. I wish you would have like kind of stacked, made them go in between each other. Cause now when I have her like in the middle, just like literally down in the middle. That's the only thing I didn't like about that, but I mean, I couldn't help that I couldn't see the back, so I had to work with, I do what I work with. But when you're doing yours, just make sure that each braid goes in between each other, because you can tell mine, when it just naturally falls, it naturally falls separately, and it got like a big, you know what I'm saying, big gap in the middle. That's the only thing about when you're doing box, you gotta make sure they're like level and brick layer. Do a tutorial or a video on how to style these, just let me know. Really simple to do. I recommend doing the rubber method when you're a beginner, because it helps the timing, and it helps when you already got the stuff already pre-parting. All you gotta do is just braid it. So I've been braiding my hair. I never went to like Africans or something like that to get my hair braided. It was always been me or my mom or my auntie. Like, it never been like when it comes to box braids. So box braids are always just been around the family. But I get them done, and so this was about, I counted, I used about 35 braids in total. So you could go bigger on size of braids. I don't think the size of them is really good, so it's the length. So like I said, I just want to talk to you about these braids, how to keep them fresh, what I do. Like I said, I just use Pump It Up spray. Oh, you know you gotta grease your scalp. I just use some regular, just like grease, and I try to just gently go between the parting area, because again, I don't want to mess up the section and make sure they neat. But then again, I go right back over with the Pump It Up spray and put my scarf on. And I don't really use my edges at nighttime. No, my edges at the morning time. You can do yours at night. Go like this, put my scarf on. You have to have a satin scarf, of course, ladies. Like, who does cotton, who does that. And as you can tell, I don't have any jewels on my braids. I think I'm really plain. Like, I just wanted something really simple, really just, you know what I'm saying? I just really wanted something simple and just fresh and neat. And the only thing that it's probably not professional because of the length, but I don't want to do no chunky big box braids. No. Short chunky big box braids, no. Anyway, guys, that concludes this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys know what to do, how to do it. If you want to know how I did them, I mean, I can't really take these out and do it, but I would definitely do them on somebody else so you can see how I personally do my braids. Like I said, they're not perfect. I'm not a professional yet, but like I said, I've been braiding hair for a long time, so I actually think I know something about braiding hair. So, like I said, if you guys love this video or like this video, comment down below, let me know, and like this video, of course. But I think that just wraps it up. So, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. And I'll talk to you later. Bye, K-Mays.
I've been closing deals and getting money, man, I feel just like a mob star.